In this video, I will show you how to attach a PDF portfolio on Behance. Open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type Behance and go to the official website. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your account. On the Behance dashboard, find the option labeled Share Your Work. Click on it to start uploading your portfolio. Look for the Attach Assets option. Click on it and then select Choose File. Locate your PDF portfolio on your computer. Click Open to upload the file. Once the file is uploaded, click Done. Your PDF portfolio is now successfully attached to your Behance profile. And that's it. Now you know how to attach a PDF portfolio on Behance easily. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.